This is day number, 100 of getting rich with AI. And today we tap into that online money with dropshipping. I got a tool I never reviewed before, but in under 5 or 6 minutes, we're gonna tell you all you need to know and see if this tool is worthy or not. Let's get into it. I now welcome you to NH Dropshipping, and this is another Chinese powerhouse of an e-com company. Honestly, it seems like China got their hand on a lot of these dropshipping and e-com websites, manufacturing companies, suppliers, so much more. So look, we're gonna go through what this website does. We're looking at this for the first time together, but let me tell you a little bit about what they stand for and what they do. So first off, they have incredible shipping where stores are gonna get a $30 waiver on their first order when they achieve 50 plus sales in 30 days. So you can test new products fast with zero inventory model. 2, they got insane volume discounts. So when your previous sales go above $500, you get 2% off. $2,000, you get 3% off. $5,000, you get 4% off, and they keep percent off of your shipping. They also have free warehousing, fast dispatch, and they have customization and free extras. So what I mean by that is you can customize your products, the packaging. So if you want to sell supplements, clothing, whatever it is, imagine having your brand logo on there, or even having free thank you cards that are included with every shipment. The last few things that they pride themselves on are dedicated support and automation, which means they have automated order processing backed by one-on-one dedicated agents. You hear me? So they are always, you're going to have some service available. And number 6 is quality and security guarantee, full process warehouse monitoring and product inspection, full video documentation of order processing available. You get full refund if there's any quality issues, and you get a full refund if there's ever a reshipment for logistic reasons. So let's look at this website. So already the website is pretty fire, and some of the things that they stand out for or really makes them one that you should check out is, 1, you can sign up for this for $0. That's incredible. 2, they have 10,000 plus active users, over 150,000 orders that have been fulfilled, and 99% on-time delivery rate. So as you see, just from our first, 2-3 minutes in the video, they pride themselves on delivering. So you have 400,000 plus selected products, plus 50 categories. You know, there's a lot of different categories from home and garden to all different things. You know what? Let's just see what products they have. So right here, it was that simple just for us to find products, and look how cheap these products are. They got $1.83. So again, we always talk about making content on the internet, repurposing content on the internet, or if you want to start moving smarter, you can use AI and make some artificial women or men to promote these products. So go to TikTok, go to Pinterest, whatever website you use, check out what's viral, and you can literally add these and import these products right to your online store. And you can even sync the product list. So anytime the inventory is running high or low, they go and fulfill you and make sure you're straight. So they have tons of products under $5 that you can add to your store. I mean, this is pretty crazy. So let's see right here what we have under categories. So when we go to categories, you see they have jewelry, high-end jewelry. So if we want to go to high-end, let's see what they got. Why not? We're here. Oh, and by the way, if you're liking this video, everything you need will be down low, links in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel so we can get to that 1 million. You did. So if we got the high-end jewelry, so these are some of the things that are $63. So if it costs you $63 to get, obviously you're never gonna have to touch anything. They shipping it for you. What you could do is price this 3 times as much, 4 times as much, I don't know. But we keep scrolling, we keep seeing more and more jewelry, more and more awesome accessories. So you scroll down, they have glasses, sunglasses, hair accessories, bags, home and kitchen, beauty, babies and kids. I mean, this honestly is very impressive from the amount of products that they have. And you can see all of these products without having a paid account. I think that's something that's pretty cool. All right, with that being said, let's talk about some other things that set this tool apart. So they have a shipping calculator. Let's see what that is. All right, so we got a shipping calculator here. So what this is going to do is you type in the country you want to send it to, you type in the weight. Once you type in whatever the weight is, calculate shipping, and boom, just like that. Shipping method tells you how, delivery time, and the cost. That simple. They got brand customization. Let's see what that is. And this brand customization is more of what we spoke about before. A lot of y'all get different products. They come in different bags, packages. And as you see right here, you can literally customize any of the packaging you want your products to come in. You can even customize the thank you cards that go along with it, the boxes, the holders. This is pretty fire. I've never seen this yet. So Honestly, this is pretty impressive. Next is inventory. So this is where all of your products will be listed. And if you do not have any products listed, you can simply click go buy and they're gonna help you run it up. And if you don't know what you're doing, press this button right here, tutorial. You will get step-by-step tips on how to use this website. And last, what I think is pretty cool is that if you have a product that you have, I just created a random example of a client I work with in real life. If you have a product, you can literally drag an image there, type in what the product requirements are, and then press submit sourcing request. And they will make a request to see if they can start sourcing this product for you or find the product for you. My mind is blown. So this website is fire. This is the trusted one-stop shop partner. And I want to show you something else. It's not just in English, it's in all of these languages. I think it's worth checking out, and it cost me $0 to sign up, $0 to start checking out or investing in myself. Y'all want everything for free, but you got all the Gucci to Dior you can ever think of. How about investing into something that can change your life or change your future? You feel me? This 24/7 service is NH Dropshipping. Let me know what you think of it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and in the comments, you tell me what you think of this tool and let me know what you end up buying. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.